Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you guys how you can check when was the last time the Windows installed a major update. Okay, this is specifically for Windows 10. It might work in Windows 8, I'm not sure, you can check, but this is specifically for Windows 10. We're not talking about small updates. Okay, we're talking about major updates that happens that twice a year or once a year. So you might want to know when was the last time your Windows installed a major update for curiosity, or you might need that information for some other reason, I don't know. So you can do it. There's two ways you can do it. You can check. The first is click on the Windows tab here, bottom left corner, go to settings, click the system, click about, the last one, the last tab. Here Windows specifications, and under Windows specification, that's what we are looking for. Installed on 11th of December 2020. It means that the last major update on my PC was installed on 11 December 2020. Okay, this only means when was the last major update happened, okay, occurred. The second way you can check that will probably give you more information about the last major update on your PC, on your operating system, is type click on this here, type here to search. Okay, type CMD, hit enter, and type system info space, I don't know what it's called, and then space find, and then original install date. Okay, I will leave this command in the description section, and then hit enter, and then you can see the operating system is loading the information. And here again, here you can see the same information, original install date 11th December 2020. In fact, here you will have more information. When was the date, the day, the month, the year, and even the time, when 5:42:35. So yeah, just a quick video for you guys. I thought you guys would want to know this. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.